Greetings and a warm welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I dive into the world of glamorous DIY, farm decor, seasonal crafts, and space transformation. Join me as I explore the art of thrift flips and uncover hidden treasures in the garage sales, all while I embrace budget-friendly shopping at places like Dollar Tree. If you share my passion, stick around for a dose of inspiration and exciting DIY projects. And in today's video, get ready to be captivated as I join forces with this incredible, talented, and glamorous Petalisbless DIY. Together, we've embarking in a journey of captivating and elegancy in what we like to call the glamorous wall mirror collaboration. Our minds have fueled to bring you the most stunning wall mirror project. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the magic we've connected. Before I opened my channel, I started doing DIYs, and this is one of them. I added a whole bunch of popsicle sticks behind these mirrors, as you can tell. So I'm pulling them out from my stash, and I'm gonna try to clean it up a little back here, but I'm not gonna be removing none of the popsicle sticks because I want these mirrors to be all connected. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead, and this one over here came out, but I'm just going to put plenty of hot glue and glue it back together. And then I'm just going to go and bring out some popsicle sticks, cut them into the size that I figured would help connect all of these mirrors together. And then I'm just going to go ahead and start hot gluing the popsicle sticks, making sure that all of these mirrors are attached to each other. And guys, when you are hot gluing with these hot glue guns, be very careful that you do not burn yourself, because on this video, I burned myself pretty bad in the finger. And you'll see, I didn't cut the mistake that I did, only just so you can see that we're not perfect. And there we are. You see, I got burned, and I got burned really bad. Anyway, we're going to continue to put popsicle sticks through the back of this mirror. This, nobody will be able to see it because this is going to be hanging up on a canvas frame. I'm going to be using this canvas from a previous video. I'll leave it down in my description box so you can find the video where I demonstrate how I framed the canvas. I noticed some markings left behind once I removed the skewer sticks, but now I'm going to cover it with paint, and I will be preparing it for this project. And now it's time to make sure that this mirror doesn't fall off of this canvas. So the first thing that I did is I pulled this all-purpose adhesive. This is like crazy glue, and plenty of hot glue. I'm going to use plenty of it because, again, these mirrors are heavy and we don't want this to land in the floor. Once I place these mirrors in place, I make sure to put some books on top of it to make sure that the glue would dry, so like that I could feel safe putting it on the wall. And I also took these jewelry borders and I placed them around on all four corners. And those mirrors are pretty dirty, but don't worry, we are going to be cleaning that up and they are going to be looking brand new. And these hooks, these are border hooks with plenty of hot glue. I'm going to be placing them on the two center mirrors. And I also have tea candle holders. They're made out of glass. I'm also going to put them right up here with plenty of hot glue. And this is it, my dear friends. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. And now for our next project, I have these napkin rings from Dollar Tree. I'm going to give it 2 coats with black chalk paint. And I'm going to do that to 2 of them. And to make the process go faster, I'll be using some heat to help it dry. And after it's dry, I'll come back and give it that second coat. In today's video, showcase an amazing collaboration with my talented friend, Petalisbless. Her glamorous videos are a must-see. Don't forget to let her know that I send you over. This gorgeous lady is so talented and she is so much inspiration in my life. I've been watching her for years and it is a true honor to be collaborating with her today. I'm going to continue to use these same border stickers. I'm going to go ahead and glue them. Well, they are self-adhesive as you know, but I'm going to be placing them right in the middle of this beautiful napkin ring that we just painted in black. I'm going to be doing the same thing to the second napkin ring. These 2 mirrors from Dollar Tree. I've had them in the bottom of my stash, so I am trying to use as much of my items as possible. And with plenty of hot glue, I'm going to be gluing it right on top of the mirror right here in the lower part. And I'll be repeating the same step to the second mirror. And these tea candles, they are battery operated from Temu. With a little bit of hot glue, I'll be gluing them right on top of the napkin ring. And as you can see, once we glue them up here with some hot glue, there's an opening in the bottom and you could turn it on and off just like that. And these glamorous stickers, also from Dollar Tree, I am putting them on both of these mirrors, and look at how beautiful. Now you could opt to leave it just as is, and just remember, if you are going to be creating something like this, you can make it your own. You could paint the frame whatever color, you could add whatever you want on the border. But because this is a glamorous wall mirror collaboration, I made it look glammy. I'm truly grateful for your time and attending throughout this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, I am inviting you to join our community. Remember, subscribing is absolutely free. Please show your support with a big thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment section below. I hope you found these stunning wall mirrors as captivating as I did. To my loyal subscribers, your ongoing support means the world to me. And a big thank you. Before you go, make sure to check out my friend's channel for more inspiration content in the description box. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the final reveal.
Stay, even for a moment, that's okay. Even if the sky is turning gray.